Hello everyone, my name is Shovik and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna discuss about ITR 4. So in the previous video, I have discussed about ITR 1. So if you haven't watched that video, do watch it first as because it will help you a lot. So now let's get started with this video. So what is ITR 4? So ITR 4 is income tax form for taxpayer who want to opt for presumptive income. So what is presumptive income? Any business with a turnover of less than 2 crore can opt to be taxed presumptively, but they must declare their profit of 8% for non-digital transaction and 6% for digital transactions, whichever is applicable for them. So now let's move forward to the main aspect of this video for you, which you have been waiting for, the step-by-step process to file ITR 4. So today in this video I'll be filing through offline tool, as currently the online portal is not working. So the process is same for both the offline tool and as well as the online portal. So first you need to go to the online portal, sign in, log in to your account, and then click on file now option. After that, this page will open. Click on individual and then continue. So from here you have to select the ITR form. So for our case, we will select ITR 4 and then proceed with ITR 4. So it is saying that ITR 4 will be filed according to the new tax regime, as it is the default regime in our case. So we will file with the new tax regime only. So click OK. So please read it before filing ITR 4. So for individual HUFs and firms other than limited liability partnership, being a resident having total income up to 50 lakhs and having income from business or profession which is completed under sections 44AD, 44ADA or 44AE, these people can file ITR 4. So who cannot file ITR 4? Not for an individual who is either director in a company or has invested in unlisted equity shares, or if the income is deferred on ESOPs or has agricultural income more than 5,000. So those people cannot file ITR 4. So now let's get started with the video. Click on it. So three options will come. We'll just click on others and then continue. So it is saying that your data has been pre-filled according to your AIS or TIS. So click on OK. So these are the fields which we need to fill for filing ITR 4. First one is personal information. Second one is gross total income. Third one is disclosures and exempt income. Fourth one is total deductions. Fifth one is tax paid. The sixth one is total tax liability. So first click on personal information. So let it load. Yes. So now nature of employment. If you are a government employee or others, you can select any of those. But for our case, we'll select others. And then in the next options, which is generate whether this return is being filed by any representative SSC, we have to click on no. So bank account you need to validate according to you and then confirm. So you have now you can see that it has one right has been green tick has been created in this. So it means that it has been completed. The form filling has been completed in personal information. Now let's fill gross total income. Click on it. So these are some of the questions that has come. We'll just skip these questions. Click on yes. Yes. Now the page has opened properly. So first option is there, income from salary. So let the page load first, then we'll discuss. Yes. So first option is income from salary. Second option is income from house property. Third option is income from business or profession. And the fourth one is income from other sources. So let's fill the first option, income from salary. Click on edit. Yes. So the salary which we have is 5,10,000. 5,10,000. So 50,000 standard deduction is already calculated. In our Excel also we have made 50,000 standard deduction. So it comes out to be 4,60,000. Yes. So it has been filled. So now income from house property. If you have income from house property, you can fill it. Otherwise, you can skip. So in our case, we have income from house property. We'll click on this add. And from here, we need to select, in our case, let out. So how much is the gross rent received? Let me check. It is 1,08,000. So 1,08,000 is the gross rent received. So already it has been deducted. It is come down. So 30% annual value has been deducted. So it has come down to be 75,600. So in our case also it is 75,600. Let's click on confirm. Let the page load. Yes. So after that, income from business and profession. So click on this. If you have any business income or professional income, so click shop. So in our case we have a shop where we are selling the retail products like stationery items and other things. So shop. So yes. So in other, if you have received through check or something like that, which has been referred to a bank, you can put the amount here. If you have received in cash, you can put the amount here. Otherwise, you can put here also if you haven't received in cash. So in our case, let me check the amount first. How much is the amount? 60,000. 60,000. Put it here, and we'll also click on 60,000. Add. So let it load first. The site is very slow. Yes. Click on edit. Interest income is 3,222. 3,222. Save. Yes. So all this has been filled properly. So click confirm. So first column is also filled. This one is also filled. Now you have to fill disclosure of exempt income. It is compulsory for ITR 4. You have to fill this form. This one, disclosure. So click on add drills. So our capital is 12 lakhs. This total capital and abilities and total asset should be the same. So click on add, then you have to click confirm. After that, total deductions. In our case, we are filing ITR. There will be no deductions. So skip these questions. Yes. Let us check if there is deductions coming or not. Yes, all the option has been come. Just click confirm here. Taxes paid. Click confirm. So this is the total gross total income is 5,92,000 in our case, and total income is 5,94,000 round off. It is round of figure. Taxable on total income is this, but we have rebate, so it is 0. So total fee and tax is 0. So click on confirm, and that's it for this video. So I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also feel free to comment if you have any doubts. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.